Maama Lina Zedriga Waru ogotulina ye olwaliru ono mumyuka wa president Kyagulanyi Center mu Batwine one Northern Uganda era nga mukimanyi bulungi yomu president kuyalekawo nga acting abwali wezi ensonga za mpuga de mapuga kati ogotulina ye nsonga nyingi tugenda okwogerako ziri mu ggwanga Uganda kiriza nkutwale Maama Zedriga Waru atugambe ebigambo olwaliro kitebe kya national platform akiguddewo essomero batendekero era okusomesa abakulembeze wali ekamocha kali katumufuna atugambe.
People power, our power, people power, our power, NUP everywhere. Oritia, 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 Orio. Our reform. Your Excellency, the de facto and de jure President of the Republic of Uganda, the Right Honorable Leader of Opposition here present, the Right Honorable Secretary General, General Secretary. Yeah, I will speak in French, that will even sound better. Okuzoganya kunga, 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 and all of you honorable members of parliament, the different leaders in your various capacities, and the press here present, and of course the outspoken, the one you are going to teach what I'm registering for your class. I'll be your student. Without wasting time, allow me, Your Excellency, to appreciate you delegated, and we effectively continued with the work, our struggle. We lost a very critical comrade, that is that whom we buried. You delegated, you followed us. I would like to appreciate that team. Honorable Aisha, physically present in Paida. Secretary Mobilization in charge of Northern Uganda, Habib Asega, just buried two of his nephews in an accident, left the daughter in hospital, and has been with us. That is one thing we shall be teaching. We are not going to start Googling case studies about Napoleon I. Our case studies of resilience are here. And we also rightfully say we have the experts. It's going to be facilitated. It's not teaching, it's facilitation. I am very honored to be part of this learning process. Because Franklin one time said, tell me, I forget. Teach me, I remember. Involve me, and I will learn and put it in practice. Because change is the end result of all the learning. I see it here. The birth of that process. Allow me to thank in a special way that chain of involvement. Dr. Seru Kenya was on his way to join us on Saturday. Please, can you stand up? From Masaka. But midway, one of my own, my son, my second born, actually right now is in ICU, grasping for his life. And we were there with the Honorable Aisha. When I said, please, Mother Mary, take charge. Immediately, chairman, they all coordinated, the foot soldiers, doctor left going to Paida and took charge of ensuring that Aaron is transferred effectively and safely to Mulago. He's still battling for his life, and doctor has been there effectively 24/7 with us, our Dr. Ali. And that's why I have this courage. Because people wonder about what is Mama up to. Onwali Gucci. Onwali ku struggle. Kubanga. Ono is multiplied. You take it off. I have multiplied myself by being committed and immersed in this process. process. So things worked miraculous, and I want to appreciate each one of you. But today is not about me. Today is about our leadership academy. The one and only. North of Limpopo, south of Sahara. Yes. So, and with my own member of parliament for Chaddown here present, I would like to recognize the presence of those who have come all the way from Karamoja. Please, that level of commitment. Ayen is the chairperson of Abim district. Yes, Ayen is there and he's present. I saw Adonyo present. Yes. I see Asega, those who have come from northern Uganda. We say when your house is being put to order or when it is on fire, you don't need an invitation. You take part in it, and those are the signs. We want to congratulate the coordinator, the current person who has enabled us to sit here. I am very humbled. I would like to invite, just for recognition, Doreen Kaija. Doreen, are you still coordinating somewhere? Today is your day. Yes! She came to receive me personally and said, please. So this lady here is the coordinator of this academy, this school. Because we are growing, we are yet to get the principals. They may not be principals, but the different titles. But of course, you work hard and you see how you can retain that. You are doing it very effectively. Coordinator. Don't come and start saying she presented the headmistress. Or no, coordinator. Yeah. So, Your Excellency, and the leadership and the media fraternity that is always here with us, with a lot of honor, with a lot of pride, with a lot of confidence, because this is a very major triple milestone. Kiriza Obagana, tutambula, tusimbule dala kakati, sabo kutwale chisecho, okwanyiriza. Yes.
Mama, please accept my apologies. There is a group of people very important that I didn't welcome. Please allow me ask them to stand, then you invite our president. NEC members, all NEC members who are here, kindly stand. You know, sometimes we forget to mention them because some of the NEC members are also MPs, are also other leaders, so sometimes we mix it up. But I want to appreciate NEC members. This is so you see, the president is actually the chairperson of NEC. So that's why sometimes it appears like we have not taken enough of people. We do appreciate all our NEC members. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Also remind me, gratitude and demands, we are grateful. I am very grateful for all of you who have been supporting, calling, those in diaspora, those who are with us here, those who have contributed, whether for the X-ray or whatever. I want to appreciate in a special way, and Dorothy, who has been with us and the team coordinating, and some of them who respectfully declined their names to be mentioned, and of course, Chairman Nyanzi. Can I say the name but he's not here? You linked to the right back, you just put the right dot. I believe that's why he's here. Like, I want to say Wali 4, and then we're coming also, Honorable Flavia, she gave us a new plate. Yes, Dr. Senkenya, yes, I thank you already in a very special way. And you, all of you, each one of you, and this, we want all of you to put us in prayer, because with prayer everything is possible. The de facto and the de jure President of the Republic of Uganda. The different lands want on you, the different institutions want on you. Here I present to speak to us, the independent, the most dynamic, the most inspirational, the one and only, Obin, Musikusi, His Excellency Robert Charula, the Center of Hadiswaibu.
Maama Lina Zedriga Atabukide Abakulembeze babikola ya watu waendeleza president chama Center Muleba Program nevige yenja ngona amanya ngenda okusimanya tusimira dala Maama Lina Zedriga Atabukide ni mudokoya ipangalyo enaka doli mwebitu baliko ngoba kanze mu trenches kanze no mane twala tuzibanga afex manje ndara twenda ya Maama Lina Zedriga Atabukide ayibunde bivokola banangisha muweno banangisha mani okula Maama Zedriga Atabukide ati akola bino ngada ma tuzama mani esuri no kuba munafe sunule banga ya fe okula ngafu ya bajamu masyo kai mbaranyo mena bali ko bako ndona banangisha fa ko metu za platinum bana ko